5 seconds to go. Start. Honorable Speaker, to have ease of doing business for those who deal with government or CPSCs, and carry out contacts, I propose to set up a conciliation mechanism and mandate its use for quick resolution of contractual disputes. This will instill confidence in private investors and contractors. The forthcoming census could be the first digital census in the history of India. For this monumental and milestone marking task, I have allocated rupees 3000 crores in the year 2021-22. Goa is celebrating the Diamond Jubilee year of the state's liberation from Portuguese rule. From the government of India's side, I propose a grant of rupees 300 crores to the government of Goa. For the celebrations. I propose to provide rupees 1000 crores for the welfare of tea workers, especially women and their children in Assam and West Bengal. A special scheme will be devised for the same. In these last few paragraphs of Part A of my speech, I draw the attention of this august House to the fact that, at the beginning of the current financial year, the pandemic's impact on the economy resulted in a weak revenue inflow. This was combined with high expenditure to provide essential relief to vulnerable sections of the society, especially the poor, women, SCs and STs. Unlike many other countries, we opted for a series of medium-sized packages during the pandemic so that we could calibrate and target our response according to an evolving situation. Once the health situation stabilized, and the lockdown was being slowly lifted, we switched to ramping up government spending so as to revive domestic demand. As a result, against an original budget estimates expenditure of rupees 30 lakh crores for 2020-2021, our revised estimates are rupees 35 lakh crores. We have maintained the quality of expenditure. The capital expenditure, estimated in revised estimates is rupees 4.39 lakh crores in 2020-2021 as against rupees 4.12 lakh crores in budget estimates 2020-21. The fiscal deficit in revised estimates 2020-21 is pegged at 9.5% of GDP. We have funded this through government borrowings, multilateral borrowings, small savings funds and short-term borrowings. We would need another rupees 80,000 crores for which we would be approaching the markets in these 2 months. The fiscal deficit in budget estimates 2021-2022 is estimated to be 6.8% of GDP. The gross borrowing from the market for the next year would be around rupees 12 lakh. I enjoyed talking to you. Although I could not talk to everyone, the people of the entire country today can sense your passion and enthusiasm. Present with me in the program is the sports minister of the country, Shri Anurag Thakur. Similarly, our current law minister, Shri Kiren Rijeju, who has worked a lot with all of you as the sports minister till a few days ago. Minister of State for Sports is the youngest minister, Shri Nisit Pramanik ji, in our team. All the heads of sports organizations, all their members, and all my colleagues who are going to participate in the Tokyo Olympics and families of players, today we had a virtual conversation, but it would have been better had I hosted all of you here in my house in Delhi, and virtual conversation could meet you in person. Stop. I have been doing this before. Stop. And for me, that occasion remains much cherished. Stop. But this time it is not possible due to corona. Stop. Moreover, more than half of our players are already training abroad. Stop. But I promise you that I will definitely meet you when you return. Stop. Corona has changed a lot. Stop. The year of the Olympics has also changed, the way you prepare has changed, a lot has changed. Stop. Now there are only 10 days left for the Olympics to start. Stop. You are going to see a different kind of atmosphere in Tokyo too. Stop. Para. Friends, during the conversation with you today, the country also came to know how much you have worked hard and sweated for the country in this difficult time. Stop. I had also discussed this hard work of some of you colleagues in the last episode of the Man Ki Baat. Stop. I had also urged the countrymen to cheer for the players of the country to boost your morale. Stop. Today I am happy to see that the country is cheering you on. Stop. Recently, I have seen so many pictures with the hashtag cheer for India. Stop. From social media to different corners of the country, the entire nation is supporting you. Stop. These best wishes of 135 crore Indians are the blessings of the country for all of you before you enter the arena of sports. Stop. I also wish you all the very best from my side. Stop. A special provision has also been made on the Namo app so that you all continue to receive good wishes from the countrymen. Stop. People are cheering for you, spending messages to you by visiting the Namo app. Stop. Friends, the sentiments of the entire country are attached with you. Stop. And when I am looking at all of you together, I see some things in common which are bold, confident and positive. Stop. I can see a common factor among you, and that is discipline, dedication and determination. Stop. You have commitment as well as competitiveness. Stop. These qualities are also of new India. Stop. That is why all of you are a reflection of the new India and symbols of the future of the country. Stop. Some of you are from the south, north, east and the northeast. Stop. Some have started their game from the fields of the village, while many friends have been associated with some sports academics since childhood. Stop. But now you all are part of the Team India. Stop. All of you are going to play for the country. Stop. This diversity, this team spirit is the identity of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, One India, Supreme India. Stop. Para. Friends, all of you are witness to how the country stands with each of its players with a new thinking and a new approach. Stop. Today your motivation is very important for the country. Stop. Top priority has been given so that you can play freely, play to your full potential, enhance your game and improve your techniques. Stop. You will recall that a high level committee for the Olympics was formed long back. Stop. All possible help was extended to all the players under the target Olympic podium scheme. Stop. You have experienced it too. Stop. You can experience the new changes as compared to before. Stop. Para. My friends, you sweat for the country, carry the flag of the country, Therefore, comma, it is the responsibility of the country to stand firmly with you. Stop. We have tried to provide better training camps and better equipment to players. Stop. Today, comma, players are given more international exposure. Stop. Sports institutions have put your suggestions paramount, comma, and comma, therefore, comma, so many changes have happened in such a short time. Stop.